In a world of chasing success, can selfless love still survive? Today's world celebrates ambition, chasing dreams, climbing ladders, and reaching the top. But in that race, we forget to ask ourselves one simple question, that is, what truly gives meaning to our life?
Today, we bring you a conversation that dares to ask, is success meaningful if it's only for ourselves? Welcome to our panel discussion, Purpose over Prestige, a talk that matters.
Today, we pause to reflect what really makes our lives meaningful. Is it power, prestige, or is it purpose? To help us explore in this topic, we have joined three incredible change makers, people who gave up everything for society's values to do what their hearts told them was right. Please welcome Mr. Narayanan Krishnan, the man who left a prestigious top hotel job as a chef to feed the homeless and serve the hungry. Sindhutai Sapkal ma'am, the beloved mother of over 1,000 orphan children. And Sri Jadav Pine, the man who planted an entire forest alone. Today's discussion is centered around the idea purpose over privilege. Why choosing to give back can be the greatest form of success. Our student panelists will now engage with our guests on this topic.
Vande Mataram, sir. We have been told that success means a big job, a big house, and a big name. But you gave up a luxurious career as a chef. What inspired you to walk away from such a successful career to dedicate yourself to serving others?
Thank you, Rajvi. One day I saw an old man eating food from garbage. That image never left me. I realized I didn't want it to feed the rich anymore. I wanted to feed dignity, hope, and humanity. Success isn't about what you have, it's about what you give.
Vande Mataram, ma'am. I'm Ishil. As students, we often feel discouraged when we fail or get rejected. But you turn rejection into purpose? How did you find the courage to become a mother to abandoned children when you yourself were abandoned?
Thank you, Ishan. I had nothing left. No home, no money, no identity. But I had one thing, love. And love can raise nations. I was thrown away by the world, so I chose to gather those the world has thrown away.
That's incredible, ma'am. You turn personal pain into compassion. That's the truest form of strength. Ma'am, students often worry about their future. Degrees, jobs, pressure. You raised hundreds with no resources. What advice would you give to young people who feel helpless or small?
Never think you're too small to create changes. Even a broken hand can wipe someone's tears. Start small, but start with heart.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vande Mataram, sir. I'm Kushank. We talk about saving the environment, but often don't act. You didn't just act, you planted an entire forest. What kept you going for all those years all alone?
Thank you, Kushank. I didn't wait for help. I just began. First one tree, then two, then 100. Now the forest is home to elephants, tigers, deers, birds, and hope.
Sir, inspired by our actions, the students of our school took part in the government's initiative Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam to honor their mother through the act of planting trees.
That's amazing, Advay. Start with one act. Plant a tree, help a person, save a drop. You don't need a crowd to start a movement. You just need conviction.
Vande Matram, I'm Prathit. We've heard how you left comfort behind to follow a deeper calling. As students, we're surrounded with comparison, competition, and pressure to succeed. How can we hold on to empathy and purpose in this world chasing numbers and likes?
Don't chase noise, chase meaning. When you feed someone, it does not trend, it transforms. Silent work has the loudest impact.
Your rank will be forgotten, your kindness will be remembered. So don't just be intelligent, be kind too.
Don't just do your resume. Grow your roots, nature, compassion, and simplicity. They will keep you grounded when success doesn't.
Thank you, all of you. Today, we've learned that true greatness is not about being known, but it's about being needed. We promise to carry your stories and spirits with us. Let's give a standing ovation to our real heroes. Ma'am Sindhutai Sapkal, Sri Jadav Pine, and Narayan Krishnan. Thank you for proving that even in a world chasing privilege, purpose still shines through. Inspired by these
change makers, we, the students of St. Amar Jaipuria School, pledge to put purpose before praise and service before self.